So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I cut this really nice side part blunt cut. I was inspired by the girl Alex on Star. But yeah, if you want to see how I cut this, just keep watching. So y'all, this wig is like I don't even know how old it is because I just found it in my closet and I was like, okay, I'm gonna do something with it. Okay, so what I noticed is, first of all, it is synthetic. The ends look like very dry, like or whatever, right? So I decided, okay, I'm gonna do some type of shortcut, and I noticed like my bangs is like cut a little bit right there. So I'm gonna try to make all this work. The first thing I'm gonna do is like cut it. So I'm gonna pull it all back in like a ponytail. And for some reason, this cap is like so big. So y'all excuse my edges, but anyway, so I have it in a ponytail, and I'm just gonna use my trimmers to cut it like straight across. And okay, so now I'm just gonna take the ponytail holder off. Well, I definitely wanted it shorter, but you see it's giving you like a little bob. Okay, y'all, so right here what I'm doing is just making it shorter. I really wanted it like really short, so I'm just gonna continue to cut until I get it to the length that I want. But this kind of inspired me. So now I'm just gonna get these edges under control. I have my concealer to blend everything together. 24-hour edge tamer. Alright, y'all. So, I'm liking this cut on me. I didn't think it would look this cute. But yes, girl. Okay, so I will talk to you guys later.